what I call a recession fighter meal. Watch what we're gonna make here tonight for under $15. We'll feed the entire family. Here's the breakdown of our costs. Assuming everybody's going to have olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, Italian seasoning, about a third of one onion, some garlic, 1 can of tomato paste, about 50 cents, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, about $2.50. Bag of Orzo is only a couple of bucks. It's about 1 cup. Call that 50 cents. About 1.5 pounds here of chicken thighs. Those are about $9. Shop around, you can find them on sale even cheaper. So what do we got here? Assume you got those, you got 50 cents, $2.50, $3.50, $9. So we're in for about $12.50 here. Such an easy recipe. Let's get to work. Boom! Let's go, dog! Let's cook! Look how much there is. Uncle Drew's recession fighter food. Just because you're eating on a budget doesn't mean you have to compromise flavor. Look. Oh yeah. Boom! About 15 meals for under 15 bucks. Screw the whole damn thing up for getting the cheese.